Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So it is the beginning of August 1st. We had a huge storm come through last night. Dumped out tons of rain and had debris all over my lawn. So I decided to get out here and do a cleanup on the front lawn here. So that's what she looks like on August the 1st. I hope it's showing up good. And over here. Now, the point of this video is to take you to the backyard and show you what's going on with the Zoysia. And she's looking pretty good. I've been cutting her with a sharp blade, only been cutting her once a week. And I always say the name of it wrong and people get on to me in the comment section, but I'm gonna say Zoysia. I don't know. So anyways, without further ado, here's how the Zoysia is looking right here. I'm gonna explain something to this lawn for my first time viewers looking at this. It's nice and thick, looking good. The dead spot that was over there is gone now. It's all filled in. Now, first time viewers, take a look. See all these trees? And then you see that dirt area over there where the Zoysia hadn't gotten that far. There's a few issues here. First one is this grass is pretty expensive to get. This was 4 pallets, I think here, and this is, I believe, 2,000 square feet, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong about that, but you see where that shade is over there? Starts going out that way. Well, this whole lawn gets a lot of shade because of these trees. When we first moved in here, every bit of topsoil was stripped out of this area because water was just rushing down through that fence right there, all the way down through, and it stripped off all the topsoil, so it was just straight up clay. I came in here and I tilled everything up, threw in some topsoil, threw in some sand, and put Bermuda down back here first time, and it was free. That Bermuda was free. Of course, it didn't take because of this. Came in the next time, put another layer of Bermuda on top of that, said, hey, this is gonna hit. Again, that Bermuda was free to me, sod. Didn't work. Came in a third time and thought, now I've got a good base down of everything that this grass is gonna need, Bermuda's gonna catch. Didn't catch, that was free too. So then I just came in here and I tilled the whole backyard up again and I planted fescue. And man, it looked good, striped good, it was beautiful. The second season I had to overseed it, starting to get a little sparse in places. I overseeded that fescue, and the summer did not like the fescue. It burnt it all out. So I knew fescue and Georgia summer, unless I was gonna keep my water bill at $300, $400, that fescue was not gonna survive back here. So I researched Zoysia, and I ended up purchasing this. And this is the third season. The third season is the charm for Zoysia people. It starts taking off and spreading like you wouldn't believe. I've got runners going down this whole line, stretching out towards this bare area. And I bet you that has spread 1.5 feet in 3 years. And it probably would have done more than that if I had been treating it right from the very beginning. And by that, I mean, I wasn't treating this grass good at first. I treated it like a redheaded stepchild. And I did the bare basics, if that, the bare minimum. And it suffered as a result. Last year, I learned it loves to be fed. And so I fed it, and I fed it, and I watered it, and I took care of it, and it looks good. Now, this is just a glorified dog park out here. I'll let my dog come out here and do anything he wants. If he wants to pee on it, he can pee on it. As long as there's some green grass out here, I'm happy with that. But I put a 2704 down out here. I put an organic down out here. I put a root stimulator down out here. And a fungicide, that's a big thing, man. This grass loves to get fungus. And it is a thick grass with shallow roots by nature. And so its roots do not go deep, so it has to be watered often, and it just likes to get a fungus. So you have to keep some type of fungus application on this through the whole season. And I've done that, and man, I couldn't be happier with it. I could come in with another pallet and do that area, but I don't know how good it would grow with that being the amount of sun that it's getting. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now, I think. But that's it. That's how we're looking right now. That's how the Zoysia's looking. It's pretty good to be the backup child. So that's all I got for you. Bermuda Brian, Zoysia Brian, I hope.